Want to learn how to register your appliance? I'm Jess, and this is Cliff. And we're here to show you just how easy it is. It's a handy step to get product updates, top-notch customer service, and warranty coverage. First, let's locate your QR code, which can be found on the model or serial tag. Got it? Great! Now, use the camera on your smartphone or tablet to scan the QR code. You'll see an option to register an appliance. Go ahead and tap that. Now, it's time to log into your account. If you don't have one, don't worry. Creating one is quick and easy. Next, you'll need to enter your installation date or your home closing date in the installation date field. If you have other products to register, feel free to add them now. Otherwise, just continue to register your current product. Next, enter the address where your appliance is located and hit continue. Take a moment to review all of your information. Everything look good? Great! Tap Submit Registration and voila! Congratulations, your product is now registered. Remember, registering your appliance not only ensures better support, but also helps in validating your warranty coverage. With the help of our buddy Cliff here, we hope the process is now as clear as it could be.